Let's make a paneer dish with onions and peppers. My kids love taco in any form, so this is a desi take on taco. For this, I used a 12-ounce piece of paneer, 2 peppers. You can use colorful ones if you have them. 1 small onion or half of a large one like I used. 6 to 8 cloves of garlic and 1-inch piece of ginger. Cut the paneer into long strips. Cut the peppers the same way. The onions into long slices, not too thick. Slice the garlic and julienne the ginger. Take a pot, add about 2 tablespoons of oil in it and heat it. Once your oil is hot, add about 1.5 teaspoons of cumin seeds in it. There is the half a spoon there. Fry this, and the next thing we will add to this is our garlic. Add in the garlic and fry it till the raw smell of garlic is gone, till it's nice and brown. As the garlic fries, I added a 1/4 teaspoon of red chili flakes. When my garlic was almost cooked, I added in the julienne ginger. I saved a little bit for garnish later. Here's the ginger. Mix it and fry it till it smells really good. I'm going to add in my onions and soften them. I promise you I'm going to do it now. Here we go. There's the onions. Fry these onions. To help cook these onions, I added some salt and about half a teaspoon worth of sugar. Mix this well, and you can even cover this to help soften the onions a little bit. I left the onions for about a couple of minutes to soften them, and then now we are going to add our dry spices. Begin with 2 teaspoons of coriander powder first. Here's my 2nd teaspoon of it. Next, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, then 1 teaspoon of turmeric. If you didn't add your dried red chilies earlier, the chili flakes, you could even add about a 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder at this point. Mix everything well and toast your dry spices along with the onions. And the next thing we will add to this is half a cup of water. Adding the water helps mix everything very well, and also my spices don't burn if I add water to this at this stage. Now, the next thing we are going to add into this is our peppers. Here we go. Mix everything very well, and I don't like my peppers to be too soft, so the next thing I added was the paneer. Now, for all my vegan friends who don't eat paneer, this recipe will also work with some firm tofu. I'm sure the tofu will also capture the flavors that the paneer captures, and it would taste great. Mix everything very well and cover this and let it simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes so that all the flavors meld and our dish comes out perfect. Check seasonings and adjust seasonings, and after that I added about 2 tablespoons worth of chopped cilantro and the remaining ginger that we had saved. That is our garnish. You could also finish this dish with the juice of half a lime. It would brighten the flavors that are in this dish. My kids reinvented this dish in the form of a taco, so that's how they enjoyed it. But it can also be enjoyed with traditional Indian things like rice, dal, parathas or roti. Cooking and video by Shorna. Paneer, pyaz, capsicum taco enjoyed by these two. Thank you for watching. Today's cooking tip is not really a cooking tip but like a life tip. One of the things I am noticing as I'm getting older is that we need to document stuff that we ate growing up as a kid. A lot of these recipes that we grew up eating, we need to ask our parents, our grandparents on how they were made. These recipes are getting lost, and for tomorrow's children, we need to document this today. Thank you for watching.